Hello everyone, my name is Harsh Sharma. I am a third year student of Bharati Vidyapit College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies, and today I am going to tell you about a country famous for its pad thai, stunning beaches, floating markets, and full moon parties. Thailand. Thailand is a country in Southeast Asia. It is located at the center of the Indo-Chinese peninsula, spanning over 5,13,120 square kilometers of area. Thailand is bordered to the north by Myanmar and Laos, to the east by Laos and Cambodia, to the south by the Gulf of Thailand and Malaysia, and to the west by the Andaman Sea and the southern extremity of Myanmar. The flag of the Kingdom of Thailand shows five horizontal strips in the colors red, white, and red, with the central blue strip being twice as wide as each of the other four. The design was adopted on 28 September 1917. The colors are said to stand for nation, religion, and king, an official motto of Thailand. Bangkok is the capital as well as the largest city of Thailand. The baht is the official currency of Thailand. Thailand is home to 71 living languages, with the majority of people speaking languages of the southwestern Thai family, and the national language being Thai. Now, let me tell you some interesting facts about Thailand. First, Thailand is the only country in Southeast Asia that has never been colonized under European power. Second, every year there is a festival dedicated entirely to monkeys in Thailand. One of the Thailand's funny thing is in the month of November there is an annual Lopburi monkey banquet that is hosted in front of Pra Prang Samyot temple in the province of Lopburi. The locals invite over 600 monkeys to feast on a buffet of over 2 tons of food that has all been lovingly prepared by the locals. Third, in Thailand, all men used to become Buddhist monks once in their entire life. In the past, all Thai young men under the age of 20 of all social rankings, including the prince and kings, became a Buddhist monk for at least a short amount of time in their lifetime. Fourth, Thailand is home to a fish that can walk on land, built like no other fish in the world. The Cryptotora thamicola, otherwise known as the blind waterfall climbing cave fish, uses its two front and two back fins to propel itself upon waterfalls. In fact, it crawls on land the same way that any four footed animal would. The three major cities of Thailand are Bangkok, Ayutthaya, followed by the Chiang Mai. Now, the five famous tourist destinations in Thailand are Railay Beach in Krabi town. Railay delivers on promises of white sand, turquoise blue water, and the feeling that you have found a slice of paradise even before your feet touch the sand. Koh Phi Phi, the Phi Phi Islands are one of the Thailand's most popular resort areas for a reason. The clear blue waters, the soft sand, the breathtaking views that go on forever. The Grand Palace. The Grand Palace is the number one sightseeing attraction in the Bangkok city, and it's staggering in both historical significance and craftsmanship. The Sunday Walking Street. The Sunday Walking Street in Chiang Mai is famous for its market. Last but not the least is Pai Pai in Mai Hong Son province is the perfect starting point from which to enjoy the country's natural beauty as well as the famed Thai hospitality and cooking. The five famous delicacies of Thailand are chicken satay, tom yam soup with mushrooms, pad thai, Thai green chicken curry, and som tam, that is a papaya salad. That was all from my side. Thank you for watching.